Ooh, recording start. Okay, so welcome again to Military Guna TV. Thank you for joining. So we're gonna speak about a good game of football that I watched today. Entertaining. Mobay versus Molynes. Mobay thrashing Molynes 4 goals to 1. Quite entertaining game, I would say. As you can see, my name is Military Guna. Oh, Professor. Yeah. I'm doing that as well. Yeah, but anyways, but married acres. Anyways, smash the like button, people. As in, people want to know my goal. Whatever much subscriber, only me can reach a goal. The only me can reach a goal is by you guys hit that subscribe button and also smashing the like button, letting other people see the content by sharing it as well and turn on your notification bell. So hit that subscribe button as always. So let's get into the meat of the matter. We're gonna share the ranking and then we'll go see ranking. Something more to see. All right, so pretty much an encouraging game of football, I would say. Let me go right up to the top to my tweets. Yeah, I'm on the profile. To my tweets. Let's get good. So the game finished 4 goals to 1. Mobay United defeated Molynes United. So we're gonna start off with the first goal. The first goal, people. The first goal. Iwan Barton scored the first goal. First of all, the keeper. Keeper, me can't tell you. I don't know if a shop you come, but you should have done a lot better with this. As you can see, man on the valley. Hold on, let me see if I can make it a little bit bigger. Just give me a second, people. Let me fix this. Alright, so make it a little bigger. Good. That's a lot better. As you can see now, you can see in a volley position, Keeper just flux the ball right through your hand and going to goal. Me I say what? And then him drop. How him drop? But anyway, first goal that score, and it's Mobay early out in the game, 1 goal to 0 in the 3 minutes by Iwan Barton, I think. Yes, Iwan Barton. First goal, kick off by Iwan Barton. Mobay, good game. Mobay start dominate possession. Now I'll move to the next incident in the goal, where equalizer from Thian Palmer. Dribbling inside of the Mobay United 8-yard box. Nice build-up play, as you can see, the number 45. I remember a drop on him back and couldn't manage, and then just whip the ball and far top. Even though he almost stopped him from scoring the goal, Thian from scoring the goal, but Thian got away with that one. Now the next phase of action is this. This here is the next phase of action. Another incident. Poor defending. Defender was trying to clear. Defender tried to clear the ball and clear ball inside and own a 18-yard box. I'm like, what? What? I'm like, what? Yeah, and then now it bounced onto a striker. The striker hit the ball on the keeper. This is what the keeper did, people. The keeper goes down with the ball, boom in the hand, drop out. Me I say, what? I'm on some schoolboy business this. Surprise, Alfred. Surprise. And then Nosworthy run on to it and Michael Nosworthy actually run on to it and make the game 2 goals to 1. It was actually on the 68th minute. Now let's move on from that. Dangerous challenge. Really, really dangerous challenge. As you can see here, 2-foot lap around the left foot. 2-foot lap around the player. Dangerous challenge by Tyreek Wilson. I put Tyreek Wilson. Wrapped around the leg from behind as well. I could have sworn that was a hit for him. But as you know, red card, which is rightly so by the referee. Then now, 10 man down, 10 man Molynes trying to keep up, couldn't keep up across the third goal was scored from a set piece. And it's also the super sub, Logic Horton, again, back at it. So they double their lead right here from a set piece scored by Logic Horton. Caught it on the volley and tucked it away hard and low, finished with a somersault celebration. Let's get to the celebration. And that there is the celebration, people. That there is the celebration. So at that point, it's 3 goals to 1. Now the final goal scored here is last goal scored by the same super sub, Logic Horton. Right here, the defender receives the ball. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 defenders receive the ball. Rather than playing it out easily or play to one of the defenders, he tried to hold on to the ball. And then now, this is Logic right here. Picked him in the middle of the action. And this is Logic came right here and whipped it off the left foot. And the keeper just could not keep it out of the back of the net. And here the ball in the back of the net. Poor. Really, really poor. Really, really poor. So, as you know, I'm just speaking, I'm just talking you guys through the match setup. So, this here is the statistics, the in-game statistics. As you can see, 11 shots by Mobay, 8 by Molynes, 8 shots on target for Mobay United, and 4 for Molynes, 7 fouls for Mobay United, and 8 for Molynes. 1 yellow card received by Molynes, and a red card. Straight red, they got actually straight red. Molynes was caught offside 3 times. They had 7 corners. Mobay had 4. Mobay keeper made 3 saves, and the Molynes United keeper made 4 saves. And the position, which is right. I first see possession. This is the first I'm seeing the possession, and it actually looks right. 63% possession in favor of Mobay, 37 in favor of Molynes. As I'm saying, people, that is the first I'm seeing the possession stats, and it actually looked right first. But anyways, I won't go any further, people. Good game of football. Match day 1 is complete. No, match day 2. This is match day 2. Tomorrow is match day 3. Final day until the next week again, next game week again, which is this Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. That's how they do it. Guys, please ensure that you smash the like button. And also, as I said, help me reach my goal, which is just by hitting that subscribe button. Really, really easy task. So, see you guys again. Mobay, smash, slap, backs up, kick up. Molynes United. I have a good friend of Molynes as well now. Tariq Sutherland, good player. Try. Molynes midfield is pretty much a good midfield, but Mobay just dominated the ball more so. And then when you guys went down to the 10 man, it makes things really, really difficult. Tariq Wilson, poor challenge. What the heck? I need to get a camera. Tariq Wilson, poor challenge from Tariq Wilson. So we'll see how this one goes. As you know, guys, it has been a good campaign so far. It's the Jamaican Premier League, and I know a lot of people don't watch the Jamaican Premier League, but I am still pushing this content out because I definitely think we need, as Jamaicans, to support the local football a lot more. We need to support it. We're calling for it to get better, but we're not supporting it. How is it going to get better if there's no support, if there's no one to be critical about it? We're only going to speak on things that we don't know and we don't see, and we're going to be critical about it, and we don't see it, we don't know it. So it's important that we can see it and know it to know what is the problem. And that's the reason I'm continuously pushing on the product, the content. I won't stop. I will not stop. I will continue. This will be a continuing thing until I don't know, but it won't stop. Definitely won't stop. And there will be more things coming. More things will be added on to the Military Gona TV. So guys, hopefully guys are doing good. And as I said, enjoy the rest of your night, and I'll see you guys again. And I am out. Yeah, here we go. Subscribe, like.